Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lime Green. Today we're going to be doing a wig review of this unit that I'm wearing right now. This is the Sister wig by, I think that's Zury, y'all. Yeah, that's Zury. This is 100% human hair Brazilian. Okay, so just a disclaimer, I'm just now getting over the flu, so sometimes my words are gonna come out like messed up, but yeah, I just got over the flu. So, okay. So this is the style Hr-BRZ Anice, and I have it in the color natural. This is how it looks. This is how it looks on. So it's a very short, like bob unit that has bangs to me, in my opinion. And it's a natural color, and the natural color comes off as like a dark brown color. So yeah, this is going to be a pretty much a show and tell unit because yeah, you really don't have to do much to it, and it's 100% human. I didn't get any shedding on it. It can fit small, medium, and large heads. The texture is very soft. The length is about like 6 to 8 inches. In the back, it does get a bit. It does appear to be probably like 8 inches. And then the lace, oh yeah, there's no lace to cut. The color, I told you about that. The style, I'm just reading off my list to make sure I don't forget anything. But yeah, this is a pretty unit to wear when you're in a rush and you want it to still look cute, but you're in a rush and you're on the go, and yeah, still bomb. So yeah, this is going to be like a show and tell and all of that. Hopefully you guys like it. It's cute. Y'all, check me out, y'all. Cute. So yeah, I'm just playing with it to show you guys like how much hair it is. It has a nice natural density. So yeah, nothing too crazy. Very cute. Let me show it to you guys. I was trying to like unbump these ends because they look too much like Auntie Barbara or something like that. Auntie May. I don't know. I'm just coming up with names. Let's see. I'm trying to do something to this. It still looks the same. I tried. This is how good I'm going to be able to get it. So yeah, I like this though. I will wear this out. This is cute. Very cute. So yeah, guys, that is all that I'm going to be. That's all I have. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to comment. Thanks so much for watching, and bye.